Salam. I came to this amazing, beautiful place called Bryn Ethan in Pennsylvania. Just came here for a walk, and I decided to give you a quick, short list of vocabulary, some words connected with nature. Behind me, there is ağaç. Ağaç. It's a tree. Look at this green grass. Yeşil çirem. Yeşil çirem. And what's right above me? That's zengerkuk. Zengerkuk. Blue sky. And this is kuak. Kuak. A bush. And look what I found here. It's a stone. I hope nobody's buried there. If it was, it would be called kabertaşı. Kabertaşı. Tombstone. Follow me and continue learning more Tatar.